Whether you're looking to elevate branding, client engagement, or streamline your reporting, SEO Ranking's white label feature is a game changer in delivering a tailored, professional SEO service. Let's dive into how you can make SEO Ranking an integral part of your agency's unique brand identity and service offering. Firstly, SEO Ranking's white label feature allows you to completely tailor the platform to reflect your agency's brand. This means you can customize the interface with your own colors, logos, and design elements. By doing so, you present a consistent brand image that resonates with your agency's personality and professionalism. This level of customization not only enhances your brand's visibility, but also strengthens your agency's unique identity in the competitive digital marketing landscape. Next, the power of personalization extends to using your own domain with SEO Ranking. This aspect of the white label feature removes any references to SEO Ranking, making the platform appear as a natural extension of your agency's toolkit. Your clients will interact with a familiar and branded domain, reinforcing their confidence in your agency's capabilities and expertise. Another critical aspect of the white label feature is the ability to share custom access with your clients and team. You can delight and engage them by providing read-only seats, which allows clients to view but not edit their SEO data. This level of access can be customized further to grant visibility to specific tools within SEO Ranking. This approach not only builds transparency but also fosters trust, as clients can directly observe the progress and results of your SEO efforts. Furthermore, delivering white label SEO reports is a pivotal feature that significantly enhances client communication and satisfaction. These professional branded reports can be automatically generated and sent out from your agency's corporate email, or you can choose to send them out manually. This flexibility ensures that you maintain a consistent touch point with your clients, keeping them informed and engaged with regular, insightful updates on their SEO performance. An added benefit of the white label feature is the perceived exclusivity and sophistication it brings to your agency. When clients see the platform and reports branded with your agency's identity, they often perceive the advanced capabilities of SEO Ranking as your own developments. This perception significantly boosts your agency's reputation, fostering a deeper sense of respect and trust from your clients. SEO Ranking's white label feature is more than just a branding tool. It's an essential part of your agency's strategy to deliver exceptional, personalized SEO services. By leveraging this feature, you not only streamline your SEO processes, but also elevate your agency's brand in the eyes of your clients. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you're welcome to reach out to us or explore our knowledge base. Thank you for choosing SEO Ranking, and here's to your continued success in the SEO world.